Hi friends, today we are unboxing Oppo O-Click. Here is the Oppo O-Click box which contains Oppo O-Click. It's a device which is a companion device which works along with Oppo N1 smartphone. So without taking much time, let's open up the box. Here is the Oppo O-Click. The device, as I have stated earlier, it's a companion device which works with Oppo N1 smartphone. It needs a Bluetooth connectivity for connecting with an Oppo device. So as you can see here, people can wear this device on their wrist or just carry it as any keychain or inside their pockets. The device is used for locating the smartphone as well as for alarming the smartphone whenever the smartphone leaves a certain distance. The device also gives notification of late missed calls and all these things. So without taking much time, let's put a battery inside this. Here's the battery which also comes inside its box. Put it inside this battery compartment. So as you can see here, it's clearly written that this device is a Bluetooth remote designed by Oppo. As you can see here green color lights pops up which use for pairing with an Oppo device. So here is the Oppo O-Click. So guys, here's our unboxing on Oppo O-Click. Keep visiting Tech13 for latest news, reviews, analysis. Take care. Goodbye.